Hello, Sirah farmers. So look at the topic we have here is how to make your own poultry financial record. And we have date, chicks, mortality date, and financial expenses. So in Sirah farm, this is how we make our own financial record every month. Okay, so but I want you to promise me just one thing. You have to promise me that after you finish watching this video, you will have your own financial record. Because I know most of you don't have financial record. If I ask you now, bring your financial statements, you will say, and your financial record, you will say you don't have. But please, after watching this video, try as much as possible to have your own financial record. So if you're a catfish farmer, there's no much difference. So all you just have to change is chicks, and that is all. Just change chicks. So and you just proceed to the list. So let's start with the list. So today's date is let me see. Today's is 13. So we write 13 of my marker, 13/5/2023. So and on this day we bought chicks. Let's say we bought 1 carton of my marker. 1 carton. Okay, so any mortality on the way? Yes, say we have one mortality. Then what again? Did we buy feed on this day? Yes, let's say we bought 1 bag of feed. At what rate? We buy 1 bag of feed. Let's say 18,500 naira. And yeah, let's say this 1 carton we bought let's say 9, because the price is around 980 now. 980 per bed boiler. So yeah, this place will now be minus 980 because we lost 1. So that to be now for the expenses. So coming down here we see 2,000 naira transport fee. Okay, then yeah, we say 1 PCX or 1 pieces of multivitamin. Okay, then let's say a nylon bag of charcoal. Right here, charcoal. So on 13th of May you did these 2 expenses. There should be total here. I didn't add it, but you can because of the space of the board, but there should be total there. So this is how you can construct your own. All right, so let's say on the 14th, what happened? Oh God, Jesus. On the 14th of May 2023, so nothing will be here. Then this one I put nothing will be here. You just put that nothing will be here in Jesus' name. Then yeah, the feed aspect, let's say we buy extra 1 bag because the thing has finished, so that this one will not finish. So let's say we buy extra 1 bag, so extra 1 bag, and you just say 18,500. Then we come here and we did another expenses. What do? We let me think. Okay, we bought vaccine. So they are up to, I'm just guessing. Okay, let's just say this is 13. The thing that is 16. Okay, let's say this is 20. So we bought vaccine. Let's say vaccine. We bought vaccine. This thing is not working. We bought vaccine. What is it called? We bought vaccine which is 100 dose. 100 dose. So that is for the way. But all this is one of the criteria. So another thing you need to know is that coming down here, let me try to shake my mark. So you will now ask yourself, this feed, this one bag of feed, which is 18,500, when did it finish? Okay, we can say we finish on 19th of May. So you now come here, say 19 of 5 2023, we put column, you see a bag, one bag finished. Just a simple statement, not long statement. Finished. So we now understand that this one has finished. So we now write it under what? Under statement. Then these expenses, when did all this feed, all this multivitamin, when did it finish? We also write statement on 22/5/2023. multivitamin finished. Then at this end you now put slash, this one slash 13/5/2023, which means that this code means that that is when it was bought, and this code means that this 13/15, that means it means that we bought it at the same day. Are you getting me? We bought it at the same day. So when you want to know if your farm workers are cheating or not, this is how you will know. So okay, I bought this thing at 13th of May 2023 and it's now getting finished on the 14th of May. Why is it like that? That means you are wasting my raw materials. So this is how we do discover if they are cheating or not. But this is mainly the financial statement. So if you can't catch them here, you can catch them here, because this is the statement we want to see. So this statement is important. So that is how you can create your own financial record. I don't know if this one is nice on you, it's nice to you, but this is what I do.